This not financial advice, not legal advice, for entertainment, educational purposes only. Anything I say is my opinion. Please don't make any financial decision based on anything I say in these videos. Listen to me. I told you guys that these tariffs were not good for the U.S. economy. I told you guys these tariffs were going to push us into recession. And now look at the news on the table. All the gains that the S&P 500 made since the election has been erased. They've lost $3.6 trillion because of these tariffs. And I'm going to tell you something, and I'm not telling you to buy, hold, or sell any stock. I'm not telling you to buy, hold, or sell any crypto. But it's going to get worse because now the tariffs are retaliatory. Okay? Now the tariffs are retaliatory. It's going to get really ugly. It is causing a lot of insecurities in the market. Okay? It's causing a lot of insecurities in the market. And a lot of these bad actors are losing money hand over fist. And you know what? They're going to claim that they're making money. They're going to claim that they're making money, but they're not. Everybody's losing money. I'm sure there's some shorters out there who might have made a couple of $1 million off of this market, but a majority of the naked shorters, they're long in stocks, and the stocks that they're long in are red. The stocks that they're long on is red, and they are getting margin call. Don't let anybody fool you. The banks that are financing these guys are making the phone calls, the same one that Archegos was getting with those default swaps that wiped them out and wiped out Credit Suisse and wiped out Melvin Capital. That's what's going to end up happening because of these tariffs. And I'm going to tell you something. While it is horrible for the U.S. economy, and I believe we're already in a recession, just my opinion, this might be good for AMC and GME shareholders because this means the liquidity is running out, the bad guys are getting margin called, the bad actors, and then when that happens, they're going to either have to come up with the cash, which I don't believe they have, or they're going to have to start liquidating their assets, the ones that they're longing, which are already red, which is going to push them down even more. And then they're going to have to start closing out those billions of counterfeit shorts. You know those FTDs that they sent overseas? They're going to come back home to roost. And when they come back home to roost, it's going to cause headaches for these naked shorters. And that's what these tariffs going to end up doing. They're going to push us into recession. They're going to create an incredible liquidity crisis for the naked shorters and the banks that finance them. And on top of that, they're going to be forced to start closing out their short positions once the money runs out. But I believe the OCC is going to end up holding the bag, which means taxpayers are going to end up holding the bag because these bad actors do what they want, whatever they want, with no real repercussions because they own the SEC, they own the DOJ, they own the FBI. We know they own FINRA. We know they own the DTCC. And based on what Elon Musk said, they probably own the White House. Because if Elon Musk is afraid of being assassinated, is anybody safe from these guys? I don't think so. Anyway, please leave some comments. Tell me what you think. Did you know that the stock market, the S&P 500, lost $3.6 trillion in gains since the elections in November? Anyway, have a great day. God bless, and I appreciate y'all on this journey with me.